Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I got my Ipsy box, so I'm really excited about that. There is one item missing, but it's because I gave it to my mom because I didn't like it. But I'm actually wearing it on my face right now, so I have already opened it and went through it and everything. But the first thing I got was the eyeliner, and I already know that I really like this, so I'm not going to open it right now. But I have the little sample size that I got in another Ipsy bag, but now I got the full size. Alright, the next thing I got is the Beauty by Pop Sugar. Lip balm. It's a tinted lip balm in Be Sweet. And I actually really like it. It is kind of grainy though, which is weird because it's supposed to be a lip balm. But the more you put, the darker it gets. But right like this, it doesn't feel grainy. But whenever you put it on your lips, it kind of does. It's kind of weird, but I still like it. The next thing I got is the Man Eater mascara by Tarte. And I actually used it today, and I like it pretty good. It's kind of a little bit clumpier than some, but I still like it. And that's what the spoolie looks like. Next thing I got is the Morphe highlighter, and I'm pretty sure this is the most exciting item for me probably, because I think it's so cute. Because it's just a little, it looks just like a Morphe palette, just little. And the color is Extra, and I love it. And it is very pretty. Nice and shimmery. And this item I got was the Smashbox Bold Glitter Eye Palette. And this is what it looks like. And it really makes me think of Christmas. It has like a Christmas feel to it, I guess. I'm going to swatch some. That green is a lot prettier. I actually have it on my eyes right now. And I don't usually wear green, but I still like it. What was that one? Blue? There we go. And those are the swatches. And the last thing that I got was the hand cream or hand balm maybe. But I didn't like it. To me, it literally smelled like balloons. That's exactly what it smelled like. Well, I brought it to my mom and she said it's because it has Vaseline in it or something. And that's why it smells like that. And I said, well, you can have it. So I gave it to her. I can't remember what the name of it was. And one of my kids has run off with the little paper. But that's all I got in my Ipsy box. Oh. And the bag, I think the bag is super cute with the little gold zipper. It looks a lot nicer than the other Ipsy bags. That's the inside. It looks very fall-y and pretty, and I really like it. And I think I'll actually use this one. I don't usually use the bags, but I really like this one. But anyways, that's all I got in this box. I hope y'all enjoyed it, and I will be getting more Ipsy boxes, and I will be getting the BoxyCharm Luxe, and actually I'm going to be getting 2 BoxyCharms for the next couple of months. I have another BoxyCharm coming for this month because I wanted to try for a different color lipstick and for more of that face cleanser balm stuff because I really like that stuff. It's really good. And so I will do an unboxing on that one too. But I hope y'all liked this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I will see y'all next time. Bye!